friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you Chapter 4 Basic Geometrical Ideas. Basic Geometrical Ideas. This is the part 1 video on basic geometrical ideas. In this part 1, we are going to learn what is a point, what is a line segment, what is a line or straight line, ray, curve, polygon, angle. Let us learn one by one. First, point. What is a point? A dot on the paper with the tip of a pencil or pen is used to indicate the point. Example, this is a point. This is point A. A point determines a location. A point determines a location. Actually, a point doesn't have length. A point doesn't have length like breadth, height. A point doesn't have a length. Breadth, and height. A point is denoted by capital letter. It is denoted by a capital letter. Example, this is a point A. We have to read it point A, point B, point C. Line segment. What is a line segment? Joining two points using a scale or ruler is called a line segment. Let us see figure. These are 2 points, point A, point B. We are joining these 2 points. We can join in many ways. But this is the line segment. This straightway is this is shortest distance. This is the shortest distance is the line segment. These 2 points, point A, point B, these 2 points are called end points. A line segment has fixed length. And it has 2 endpoints. A line segment has fixed length, 2 endpoints. Line segment is denoted by AB like this, or BA like this also we can show. Line segment AB, line segment BA. Third one, line or straight line. What is a line or straight line? If a line segment extends in both directions is called a line. Let us say a figure. We know this is a line segment. If we extends in both directions, so it is called a line. Actually, we can't draw a line on board or paper because it extends infinitely. But just we can represent. It has no endpoints. It has no endpoints. Line segment is denoted by AB, line AB or line BA, and also denoted by English small letters, lowercase letters, small letters. Example, LMN, like this, small letters like LMN, etc. Ray, What is a ray? A part of a line is called ray. It begins at a point, it is a initial point, and goes on endlessly in a specified direction is called a ray. Example, sun rays, torchlight rays, etc. This is one end point or initial point. Initial point or end point. This is a specified direction. It goes on endlessly. Actually, we can't draw this ray in a paper, on a paper, or on a board. Just we can represent. It is denoted by AB. Ray AB, like this. Ray AB. This is A, this is B. Curve. What is a curve? Any figure drawn without lifting a pen or pencil may be called a curve. In this sense, a straight line is also called a curve in mathematics. But in everyday language, curve usually does not refer a straight line. Now let us draw some figures. These are examples for a curve. Curves are of two types. They are open curve and closed curve. Here we have some more examples of curves. If we observe these curves, we can say curves are of two types. They are open curves. This first one, fourth one, fifth one. Like these figures are open curves. Open curves. And the second one, closed curves. Observe the second, third, and fourth, and seventh. They are closed, so these are called closed curves. Closed curves. Let us observe third and seventh. They are intersect itself. Except these two figures, they aren't intersect itself. Like these figures are called simple curve. Simple curves. If a curve does not cross itself, then it is called a simple curve. Except to this, third and seventh, remaining all are simple curves. Simple curves. Next, polygon. What is a polygon? A simple closed figure made up of definite number of line segments is called a polygon. Let us see few examples. This is a closed figure and made up of 3 line segments, 1, 2, 3. This is a closed figure and it is definite number of line segments, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 line segments. So these all are examples for a polygon. Observe here one figure. This is also a closed figure, but this is not a polygon because here is a curve. Here is a curve. So that's why this is not a polygon. A polygon divides the plane into 3 parts. They are interior of the polygon, boundary of the polygon, exterior of the polygon. Let us see in the figure. This is a polygon. This is the interior of the polygon. Interior of the polygon. Example, point A inside of the polygon. Next, this border this is a boundary of the polygon. Boundary of the polygon. This is the boundary. This is a plane. So this outside region is a exterior of the polygon. Here is a point B. This is exterior of the polygon. Here is a point. This boundary of the polygon. C belongs to boundary of the polygon. Angle. The union of two different rays having the same initial point is called an angle. Let us see in the figure. This is one ray. OA. another one also going from here only, OB. These two rays having the same initial point O. So this is called an angle. OA is called, the side of this angle is called arms or sides. This is arm or side. The initial point, the starting point is called vertex of the angle. This O is vertex. Angle divides a plane into three parts. Interior of the angle, angle and exterior of the angle. Interior means bounded these two sides, between these two sides. This is total belongs to interior. Exterior means outside of the angle. Angle on the angle. This is the on the angle. Angle divides plane into three parts. They are interior of the angle. We can show the angle using this symbol. We can represented this angle AOB or BOA, angle BOA, or simple angle O. And also we can show this AOB or BOA are simple like this. So this is the method of indicating angles. Interior of angle. Second one, angle. Third, exterior of angle. Angle. I think you understood well each and every concept in this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, you immediately subscribe and press the bell icon and also like it to get my latest notifications. and also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.